Can messy hair and like never posting on time be my brand? Yeah. I've been doing so much. So much. I'm trying to finally like be the person I want to be and do all the things that I want to do. Unfortunately, YouTube slipped through the cracks a little bit. I try not to worry too much about it because no matter what, I know that I'll always come back because I always have these projects going on at home, and just film this stuff and post it because it's something that I used to just like not share with the internet or my friends or anything. Like if you asked, I would tell you. For instance, like that one video where I have like where I'm fixing like my green hair and there's like mountains painted all behind me. I painted that, and I totally could have filmed a tutorial on how I did it and like shown you guys, you know, the colors I used and stuff, but for some reason I didn't. It was sometime shortly after that that it clicked in me that like, wow, like you kind of do a lot of cool stuff and you could just film that and have that be a part of your YouTube channel. So I've just been fixing this nail room up. I've been in school for like the last 9 months. I finished like in December, like at the end of December I finished my hours, and so right now I'm just preparing and studying for my exam. I do live in Texas, so if I have any like Texas people interested in this program, the Texas manicuring one, I can show you guys my kit for TDLR. That way I could show you guys like how to pass the exam, but I don't want to put that video out until I actually pass the exam. But yes, I didn't want to do too long of an intro. I'm sure some people just want to see the mirror. I'll put a timestamp. Yeah, that being said, if you like this little mirror behind me, don't know if you've noticed it changing colors. Looks like it's glowing. I had this idea a while ago, but it took me a while to get to it. Don't know why. And then I looked up, I was like, has anyone else done this? So I looked it up and I found this video, and she literally did like almost the same exact thing that I did, but the hardware that she used looks a little bit sturdier. So if you do follow these tutorials, I would use what she used. I was like, fuck it, and so I just used the little frame thingies, and they're holding up really well. And I did make sure to put it on, you know, the tops and the sides in case I ever want to switch the mirror and make it vertical instead of horizontal. That will work. But yeah, totally a cute little room upgrade. Such a vibe, dude. And that would be a cute vanity, honestly. If you just put like a desk in front of that, I would do my makeup in front of that. So yeah, without further ado, so this is the mirror that we're starting off with. It is a standard mirror. I think I got it at Home Depot, 3 feet by 4 feet exactly. And I made sure to make the wooden frames smaller to make it look like it was floating. So I'm making sure that I put these in before I put them on the mirror, that way I don't crack the mirror. And these screws were like super tiny for no reason, so I had to use a cuticle nipper to hold it in place and hammer it. These are the exact measurements in case you wanted them, and we made sure to mark everything out before we glued it on. And we used, I'm not actually sure the brand of adhesive we used, but if you ask in the comments, I'll make sure and get back to you. It was my boyfriend's idea to do just 2 parallel pieces of wood and wait for them to dry before we do the other 4. That way they didn't move around or anything. So I went ahead and did that and forgot to film the other 2. So just repeat this step for all 4.
So I let it dry until my LED lights came in the mail. So I'm sort of just mapping out where they're going to end, where the cord is going to be, and making sure that they're going to be long enough, if not seeing where they overlap, to get an idea in my head. Sticking them onto the wood, I used the little clip thingies that it came with at the very bottom so that it wouldn't, you know, fall off due to gravity, and that's pretty much it. Overall, I love the vibe that it gives the room. It's just a little bit different than having LED lights around the ceiling. I love just creating stuff in here, whether it be nails, a video, just painting, drawing, anything. So if you're interested to see the rest of the room, please check out my nail room tour. I'll link it if it's up already. If not, just subscribe and you won't miss a notification when I post it. If you dig the vibe, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, whatever, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you dig the vibe, subscribe. If you dig the vibe, subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.